Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2003 Harley-Davidson VROD Anniversary. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2003 Harley-Davidson VROD Anniversary with 7,129 miles runs well. It's been upgraded with aftermarket mufflers. Powered by a liquid-cooled 69 cubic inch V-twin engine, the V-Rod puts 115 horsepower and 74 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.7-gallon fuel capacity, the V-Rod has a 90 to 130-mile range. It has a 27.1-inch seat height and a 615-pound wet weight. To pass New Hampshire State inspection, this V-Rod will need a plate bulb replaced and a quieter exhaust. As mentioned above, this bike does not pass New Hampshire State inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 3/30 seconds and the rear at 4/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted that the exhaust pops on deceleration. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are scratches on the front fender, scratches on the fuel tank. This bike has one key and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.